Nopember Institute of Technology is well known as one of the best institutes in Indonesia. Talking about institute, many people were doctrined that institute is dominated by men. And how our campus respond to this issue? I'm Ferdi Pradipta reporting from the Rectorate of Sepuluh Nopember Institute of Technology, and here it is our report. In order to encourage and internationalize female students, staff, and lecturers, Sepuluh Nopember Institute of Technology, International Levels of IT has held a seminar. Let's talk with IVLP alumni, or International Visitor Leadership Program, a program which is being held by United States of America Department of State's premier professional exchange program, which was held for women. Inviting a speaker from Switzerland, Ms. Marian Scarver, a software developer, community organizer, and IVLP alumni. The speaker shared her experiences in organizing community and her experience participating in IVLP.
I shared how I became a software developer, and by telling this story, I wanted to share with the participants that they can achieve any goals that they want and they can be anything that they want to be. I also talked about my community activities and encouraged them to work with the community and to be active. And finally, I showed about the IVLP program, Hidden No More, that I attended with Dr. Maria and which inspired me a lot also to come here.
Ms. Maria Atniasari, as the second speaker, also shared her experience while participating in International Visitor Leadership Program. Not only sharing, Ms. Mario also motivated the participants as a woman must have a big motivation, never give up, to explore themselves and having a big dream. Hopefully, women can keep motivating each other and not underestimating themselves in life. The seminar is closed with presentation session to share idea each other to approach this feminism. That's all our report today. I hope you will get empowered of this seminar today. I'm Ferdi Pradipta reporting from the Rectorate of Sepuluh Nopember Institute of Technology. Thank you and see you on the next news.